What's up, guys? It's Big Z, aka the Bald Guy. I got my sister, got my sister-in-law, and today we're eating eggs.
Okay.
Okay, let's try that one. Daddy, have a bite of this one. Try it.
It's not that bad.
Guys. No thanks. So today we're going to be eating 5 different kind of eggs. I got my sister Jessie, my sister-in-law Mina. I personally hate eggs. Mina's all right with eggs. The fun part is my sister is actually a vegan, so she hasn't eaten eggs in a long time. So we're going to get some pretty good reactions out of her. We got 5 different types of eggs. We got some quail eggs. We got century eggs. We got these cooked salted duck eggs. We got pickled eggs. And then we got what's called balut, which is a duck embryo. It's basically a baby duck in here, and then it's hard boiled. Some of these might not seem gross to you guys because, I mean, me personally, I know some people who eat basically all of these on the regular, but to us, I mean, they're pretty funky, so let's get started. I got some salt here in case any of us needs it. We got some water. So let's go ahead, let's crack it. This one shouldn't be that bad.
It smells so bad.
How does this, well yeah, you're a vegan. But, I mean, it's basically just a tiny chicken egg. This is only the first round and they're already complaining. So, no, this is a small one. Just put the whole thing in your mouth.
Yeah, right.
The whole thing.
Why?
What do you have?
I'm gonna dip it in some salt. Here we go.
Oh, it's like a normal egg.
Oh my goodness, I hate eggs so much.
It's not that bad.
Yeah, it's not.
That salt though helps it a lot.
But tastes like a
Come on,
normal
might as well
egg.
finish it. It's a small egg.
Protein.
Alright, that wasn't that bad.
No.
Yeah, not bad.
Just a tiny little thing. Come on.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, let's move on to something worse because that really wasn't that bad. We already pre-peeled ours and I'm telling you right now, it was not a pleasant experience seeing what's coming out of the middle of this egg. I don't think we need salt because it's already salted, but here we go. Cheers.
Oh.
Cheers. Oh, look at the middle. Oh man. Eat it. Yeah.
Oh, the yolk's still in my mouth.
Oh my god, are you trying to swallow it?
Oh my god.
Go Bob.
Okay.
Okay,
It's so salty.
I ate my bite.
You ate your bite?
Yeah,
I had yolk left in my mouth. It's not like it.
I
Ah.
had to wash it down.
Ah.
Good job, guys.
Oh my god. That was the most disgusting thing ever. We're only on the second one.
He's regretting this challenge.
I am so regretting this challenge. Holy crap.
Oh.
How the hell did they get it so salty? Gosh.
Yeah, that was pretty bad. Did you swallow it?
Mm-hmm.
You didn't.
No,
though.
I had like some of the yolk left in my mouth though. So that was hard. But I don't know how you guys did that. I couldn't do it.
Oh, it's so hard.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah, I didn't.
Feel it.
Yeah.
It's
Why is this so hard? Alright, cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Here we go.
Oh my god.
I like it. Okay, maybe not.
It's so sour.
Yeah.
Ugh.
It's
Ugh. Oh my god, it's so sour.
yeah.
Oh.
I'd say this is better than the last one though.
Oh.
Doesn't he? Oh, it's so sour. Oh my god, it's still in my mouth.
I I don't enjoy this.
No, it's not good.
I don't know how people eat it.
I finished it, but I put it out for you.
Swallow it. Swallow it. You can do it.
Do it.
Swallow
Do
it.
it.
Swallow it.
It's like fear factor.
Swallow it. Oh my god. Disgusting. How do people eat this? It absolutely stinks. It's basically just a preserved duck egg, but they call it century egg because it looks like it's, you know, like 100 years old. Even though it's really not. No, it's not actually 100 years old. It's like,
serious?
yeah,
That makes
it's
it
like
better.
anywhere from like 3 weeks to like 3 months is what they normally preserve it at.
Oh. Yeah, that's so weird.
It looks really gross, and when you open it up, it's going to be even grosser. So let's crack this baby open.
Oh my god.
Excuse me?
Yo, this is black.
This egg is black.
No. No, I'm not doing this.
Oh.
Oh my god. Oh, it smells so bad. It looks like a plum. Just imagine that it's a plum.
Just don't even taste it.
Like, you know when they're like, oh, if you smell rotten eggs in your house, like, it's probably gas leaking. This is what it smells like. This is actually like, oh.
Frank, man. Why did I even start this? Why did I start this? Okay, so for this one, don't bite out the top. Bite out the middle so we get some of the yolk. All right?
And we have to swallow it.
Yeah, you have to swallow it.
Hell no!
Otherwise,
You have to
you don't
swallow
get
it.
a prize.
What's the prize?
I gotta get bite into it.
Do it.
Oh, the texture. I want it all. I don't even want to swallow. Oh.
No.
Oh. Oh.
Mm-mm. Ew. It smells so bad.
Swallow it.
Yo, I can't.
Swallow it. Swallow it. Swallow it.
I'm not swallowing it. I'm not the egg queen.
Oh, it's all over your teeth.
The egg king. Yo.
Hell no, look at this. Yeah.
It's like blue and purple.
What in the hell did we just eat?
Mm-mm.
And this isn't even the worst one.
Mm-mm.
Look at this.
Yeah.
Look. Look at that egg. Oh my god, that stinks.
Babe,
And it's
smell it.
Listen,
Smell
my brother's
it.
halfway across the room and he can smell it from there. And we just ate it.
Yeah.
I'm still gagging. This is oh my god. And now we've come to the final egg. After all those disgusting eggs, we have this final one that I think is pretty disgusting. Meanie here says it's supposed to be good.
I heard it's good. Like some people like it, but I don't know.
Like I said, my sister's a vegan and she's about to eat this. It's called balut. It's basically a fertilized duck egg. There's basically a baby duck in here. And you boil it, you cook it, and you eat it. It's very popular in the Philippines and other Southeast Asian countries. I don't know what else to say. I'm not looking forward to this. So let's go. Balut.
Let's dive right in.
Let's dive right in. Balut with a vegan and someone who apparently thinks this is good. So let's try it. So you're supposed to crack, I think, the top. That
This
part.
part?
Yeah. And then you like peel it back. Just
Oh
that
my
top
God.
part. Ooh, see? And it has like
No.
water. And you're supposed
I
to.
feel like a brain.
They say you're supposed to, if you drink the water, it's like sweet.
No, I'm not doing this.
Oh.
Try the water. Try it. Yeah, just like that.
Ew.
Is it good? Is it good?
I don't know what to think of it. It's just so unsettling. Looks like dripping.
It's not bad. It just looks horrifying.
No, I'm not eating that.
Just eat it.
You can see the bird right here. You can see it's like feathers and stuff. That's so sad. Oh.
It actually smells like, it smells sweet, and the juice
smell.
tastes sweet too.
Oh, mine fell apart. It's looking right at me.
You're a murderer.
Look at that.
Oh.
No.
Just try it.
Okay, I'm gonna just take a
And
bite.
put salt on it. Put salt on it. Put salt on it. Look at this.
It's a cute little baby.
Oh, Jesse, you have to bite the head.
Oh.
Biting the head. What do you mean?
Some salt.
Ew.
Oh no.
Okay, I'm just gonna get it over with.
Yeah, dip it in some salt. Just get it over with. Here we go. Cheers.
Oh.
Cheers. Ah.
Oh.
It's just a thought.
Oh.
Ate it. Ate it.
I swallowed it. I swallowed it.
I didn't even taste it the whole time. Like my nose was plugged.
Ah, I can still taste it in my mouth. Oh, this was the egg taste test. Oh my god. This has been an egg taste test. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment down below. Let us know what you guys want to see in a future video. I'm Big Z, aka the bald guy. This is my sister Jessie, who's a vegan. This is my sister-in-law Mina, who loves eggs. Peace.
Yeah, that body's a blessing, girl. I ain't trying to pressure her. She messed with the temperature. Hard wrote the song, but I am the messenger.
It doesn't smell that bad though.
Oh, I just burped and it tasted like eggs.